guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download GTA San Andreas. So let's jump straight into it. So there are actually a few different ways that you can download GTA San Andreas. However, the best way I would recommend to get hold of this game is to come across the Steam and actually purchase this from Steam. So to do this, I'm already inside the Steam and I already logged in to my account. So what you're gonna do is search on Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. So you'll be redirected here, and as you can see here, this game may contain content that is not appropriate for all ages or may not be appropriate for viewing at work. So you need to enter your birthday to continue. So I just put a random date here and then just press the view page. So it will be redirected to this page. And then if you scroll down here, you can see that it is the definitive edition. And this includes these items here. And as you can see, this is the price. And this is what is the game about. And this is the system requirements. So just check it if this fits your PC or laptop. So if you scroll up here, press the in cart. And here, you just need to choose purchase for myself or purchase it as a gift. So press purchase it for myself. And here you can select the payment method, whichever you can pay. And just press continue. So just follow the instructions on how you can pay. And after you purchase the GTA San Andreas, you're gonna go here in library and it will be put here once you purchase. And what you're gonna do, just same here in the Sims, there will be an instruction here to install and just follow the steps to install. And after that, you can click the play. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!